Hello friends, welcome to my channel and thanks for watching this video. Friends, in this video we are going to check the Nasdaq index and how the trend has shaped up in the past week and how it could probably be in the upcoming week. But we first have a look at the weekly trend because there is indeed a breakout in the long term time frame as well as in the short term time frame. So you could probably see that the previous high of around 9878 has been taken out, and currently it is 9946. So we can probably call it as a breakout and the complete reversal of the correction. So now we are going to move into the hourly time frame, and we are going to check how the trends has been shaped up. And we do know that this is one of the indices which is very strong, and technology stocks are moving like a rocket, you can say. And obviously in this time, technology is one of the sector which has done something miraculous, and we are sitting at a home and doing our work. So obviously, so this is the trend. I've taken a 2 hours chart time frame, and this is the trend. We can probably check it out. This is what we can see. So this is the resistance line, and this is the support line. So what we can probably see here is that it is in between the range. So the Nasdaq indices is in between the range, and the support will come near 9620 probably, but obviously the swings are so high that it can move anywhere. So this is the support line, and if you check at the resistance line or the upper side of the trend, it will be in between 10,300 odd to 10,500 odd, or 10,600 probably. So 10,300 to 10,600. Now, because we don't know whether it will touch here or here, so I have taken a complete range over here. And the rationale behind how the indices will shape up next week and why I think it will go higher is because we have a breakout in the past week, and probably it will gel well and give a positive boost technically in the days to come. So we can see a probable spurt in the indices, and we could see that a further strength will come on Nasdaq indices. So this is all about the Nasdaq chart, and probably we can move into the Dow Jones indices. So this is we can look into the Dow Jones. So this is a chart of Dow Jones indices, and this is the hourly time frame. And as you can see that it has taken the support and resistance in a much consolidated manner. So let me just so this is the chart of the Dow Jones, where it is consolidating rather than going much faster like we have seen in Nasdaq. But overall, anyhow, the trend is up, because if you just make a line over here, so you will see that there is a channel, and probably it is on the lower side of the channel for Dow Jones. So for here the immediate support level is at around 25,477 odd levels, and if it indeed breaks, so there is a support range which stand up in between 25,085 to 24,850. So 25,085 to 24,850. So this is the level which could probably come if it indeed break. But looking at this chart pattern and how the channel has shaped up, it will probably move higher from this point. So as this is a completely established channel, so the probability is that it may come here, may not come here, but the probability is less that it will break down. Okay, so the support is at around 470, 25,477 odd, and the resistance will come at 27,203 and 27,542. So this is a range. 27,200 to 27,540. So this is the resistance range, or you can say that the upper side of the resistance. And once it breaks, we can probably look at the time frame, that how much time it has taken here. So it has taken around 28 days or a month, and from here to here it is probably 26 odd days. So we can assume that the next trend will shape up in like 26-27 odd days. So if it indeed goes like this, so it can give me a target of 31,000 in the next 28 days. So the probable target, so the probable monthly target will look at around 31,000. Obviously we will review this trend in the days and in the weeks to come, but looking at the past trend and how the trend channel has been set up in the past couple of months, you can probably say. So this is the hourly time frame, so months or 2 months of time has been captured in this trend. So it's a established trend, so we can probably see that in the next 1 month, and if it indeed crossed 27,650 odd levels on the upside, it could move to 31,000. And obviously the VIX is very high, unless it breaks down from 25,477 and did not take support here. And if these two support gone, obviously it will come down to 23,000. So this is the risk, but the things don't look like that, and we could probably say both in the Dow Jones as well as in the Nasdaq, things are looking up in the days to come. And we will probably see and review the chart over a period of time once in a week, so that we will get to know how the things has shaped up. So this is the end of the video. Thanks for watching, and lastly, take care of your family and friends.